Why does your scanner show the P2161 engine code? What does it mean? P2161 is a diagnostic trouble code for vehicle speed sensor B interm or erratic. The P2161 engine code for indicate your vehicle's engine control module, PCM or ECU, is receiving speed data from speed sensor B that is jumping around, inconsistent, or unrealistically high compared to sensor A. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or corroded wiring, defective speed sensor, accumulated metal debris, damaged reflector or reluctor ring, faulty control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Ford, Honda, Toyota, and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.